Well, it is known as the world's largest totally irrigated working farm show. The 38th annual Husker Harvest Days is bringing thousands of people to the Western Corn Belt. The event takes place in Grand Island, Nebraska, and RFD-TV has made the trip. Once again, we check in with our very own markets editor, Marlon Bowling. Hi, Marlon.
You bet. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Thanks, Abby, and welcome back to day 2 of Husker Harvest Days. Great day. A little breezy out here, but gee, it feels so good out here right now. I was just checking the thermometer we have here. It's like 83, 84 degrees, partly sunny skies. Beautiful day. Real refreshing outside. Had a little rain shower last night, so it's very comfortable out here. And if you're in the neighborhood, if you're listening on Sirius XM 147, welcome you to stop by our booth at 1021 here and stop by and see us and talk with us about what's going on in your neighborhood. Now, we're talking right now with Carl Stoltenberg. Now, he is the business development manager for the Hypro division of Pentair. And Carl, I thank you for stopping by and talking with us about some things that are related to controlling these sprayer nozzle systems on these new high technology sprayers these days. You brought something along. If you want to hold that up here a little bit and explain what we're looking at, tell me what's new here.
Sure. Thank you, Marlon. You know, Hypro has been a long-time supplier to the sprayer industry, spraying industry, and we supply spray nozzles, big emphasis with technology and nozzles to prevent drift. And we're also a long-time supplier of pumps, and most of the big OEM machines here have Hypro pumps on them. But at the show, we're featuring a brand new on-off control valve that attaches to one of our existing standard nozzle bodies. These nozzle bodies are commonly found on most of the major brands of sprayers, but now you can take a small, compact, 12-volt miniature ball valve and connect it to the nozzle body so that you can now create infinite section control.
Is that right?
Yeah. So most sprayers have 11 sections, 11 little manifold with 11 boom valves on them, and they'll turn off maybe a group of 10 or 12 nozzle bodies at a time. Well, that creates some inefficiencies when you're out spraying, you know, with your overlap and that kind of thing if you've got lots of different topography on your land. Well, by going to a valve like this, you create, if you have a 72 nozzle sprayer, you can now have 72 sections. And your spray controller can turn these off as soon as you make a turn or get close to a waterway or a boundary, and then your spray can shut off across the boom accordingly.
That's amazing. It's incredible to me how much control they have over their application equipment these days. If somebody wants to find you here at the show, what's your booth number?
We're in booth 421.
All right. Appreciate that. So stop by and see him. Carl Stoltenberg, he's a business development manager for Hypro, the division of Pentair. Encourage you to check it out. It's the latest in the new technology for sprayer equipment. I'm reporting direct from day 2 of Husker Harvest Days, and right behind us, I think they're going to start harvesting in about 30 minutes. We'll have an update right here. Come on back.
All right, Marlon, thank you very much. And daily field demonstrations are one of the highlights of the show, including the debut this year of farm drones. We will bring you the very latest from all of the demonstrations and exhibitors live throughout the show today and also tonight on the Rural Evening News.